Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how you can delete videos from YouTube app. Friends, please don't forget to put your likes under our videos. Be sure to write comments after watching the video, and also subscribe to this channel. So let's get started, friends. And I'm gonna show you the whole process from the beginning. Okay friends, first of all, you're going to need to open up the YouTube app. At the bottom, go to the Use section. And now scroll down a little bit here and find the option for your video. Now as you can see, you go to this list of all the videos that you've previously added to YouTube. It's also very conveniently categorized and you can easily find the video you want. If you have, for example, several dozens or even hundreds of them. And in order to understand these settings, see, at the top here, there's sections like videos themselves and short videos or shorts. There's also a live video section that you could also add here as well. And then there's also the very first item is to select by some sort of category. Sort of categorize the videos in order. And that would be either the most viewed videos, so from most viewed to least viewed, or it's going to be like the newest to oldest. So friends, no matter what kind of video you have on YouTube, you can delete it in exactly the same way. Once you find a video, shorts, or live, you need to click on these three dots here. And now at the bottom choose Delete. Then you just have to click Delete to complete the process and confirm your action. After that, your YouTube video will be deleted. Friends, with this simple and quick method, you can easily delete your YouTube video. I really hope this video was helpful to you. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also put your likes and friend your comments. See you soon.